Welcome to B&K Precision Machining. Today we'll take you behind the scenes of one of our latest projects, the Gearhub Output Sprocket K792-0, a high-precision component that transmits torque through a chain drive. The part was manufactured from ENAW 7075 aluminum alloy, one of the strongest materials in its class, combining exceptional rigidity with low weight. This alloy is widely used in aerospace and performance engineering, where accuracy and durability are essential. The sprocket features 29 teeth, a 12.7 millimeter pitch, and a pitch circle diameter of 117.46 millimeters. Each tooth has a precision ground profile with a base radius of R3.875, ensuring smooth chain engagement without vibration or excessive wear. Special attention was given to the central bore, URS 65 plus 0.10, and 4 8mm mounting holes, all machined according to ISO 2015 standards for perfect alignment and repeatability in series production. The component's 10mm thickness and 6mm deep pockets required careful control of vibrations and thermal expansion. To maintain dimensional stability, optimized cutting parameters and precision fixturing were used during machining. All edges were manually deburred and rounded to prevent chain damage and ensure smooth operation. Every critical geometry was verified on a 3D coordinate measuring machine, confirming complete accuracy down to the micron. The entire machining process was carried out on a Haas VF2SS vertical machining center, ensuring stability and precision at every stage, from cutting and CNC milling to finishing and inspection. Finally, each sprocket was carefully packaged for safe delivery. After passing all quality control stages, the Gearhub Output Sprockets are now ready for integration into high-performance systems, where precision, reliability, and craftsmanship make all the difference. Subscribe to our channel to see more precision machining projects from B&K Precision Machining. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next project.